Hey guys, we're back for another sound test, and now we have the TRN BA5. So I'm really excited about this because now we're gonna compare it to the TFZ T2, and that is a clue, guys, on how I like the TRN BA5. We're gonna compare it to the top one right away here in this channel. So as you can see, guys, in terms of the signature, it's kind of like a W-shaped sound with the BA5. So definitely the mids are more forward in the mix compared to the TFZ T2, and also the T2 is a little bit more warm. The BA5 has a touch less bass compared to what you get with the T2. So we're gonna change things up a bit. I'm gonna start first with the blind test, so you guys choose what letter is the winner and what IEM you think is the winner. And in the half of this sound test, I'm gonna reveal the IEM and let me know if you guys chose the correct IEM for you. So let's start the sound test now.
Just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.
Alright guys, so make sure you comment down below on what you think is the winner. Did you guess correctly the IEM that you want? Of course, the full review will be coming tomorrow, so be excited for that. I am excited for that. I'm gonna still, of course, test some tracks with this one to make sure my review is 100% correct. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.